right, here we go. 36 and one word from 37. Meragel. 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 So it's a spy or a scout. We had the word that used these consonants, right here, had the word for these consonants that means legs or feet, right? A spy runs to the other place, right, and scouts things out. Okay, meragel. Meragel. So that's what Joseph says to his brothers, spies you are, right? Meragel. Yeah, but plural. Meraglim. Okay. Emet. Emet. Sorry, I see that it's showing through because of the sun position changing. Emet. Emet. Okay, so this is truth. It just keeps coming to my mind. Anyone who's a little bit older, there was this old commercial. It was about identity theft, and the whole thing, it goes, "I am Emmett Smith," but it was a whole bunch of people who are not Emmett Smith in the commercial, and the idea is, so who's the true Emmett Smith is in my mind. That's no Hebrew link at all, but if it helps you, it helps you. Anyway, and normally, if we had Sigol, we'd have the accent on the first syllable there, right? But this is not really, this is like half Sigol, right? Because this got, because it's got the schwa with it, so the accent then moves over to the final syllable, like the regular pattern. So emet, truth. The truth is, I am not Emmett Smith. All right, emet. All right, this is what we're gonna do. There we go. Bachan, to test, to try, to examine. Joseph said he will bachan his brother's words. Bachan, to test or try. Bachan, maybe you can do a motion like this, to test or try, to weigh out. I don't know. Bachan. Okay. Now, this can be pointed either way. It doesn't matter. It's going to sound the same. Che. So, living. Chai is life. Chaya, right? To live. Che, living. And this could also be chayim. So the reason that we have this is in our book is it talks about this form is often used with proper nouns in an oath or swear on, basically I swear as Pharaoh lives, as God lives, da 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 da. And this is what we'll see with that when people are swearing oaths, right? Oaths. All right, in that same construction, you have this, which is if, but it's kind of like in the same string. So look at your textbook. For mine, it's on page 172. But anyway, im. So it's if, like we've had ki'im before, but it's if in this whole swearing oath formula used with the word before it. So look it up to see it in place, because it uses it in the positive sense, uses it in the negative sense. It's all in there on your page. Now, next thing, you have cool. You don't have many, do we? Kibbutz. Cool. Now we already had kol, and this actually means the same thing. It means all, every one of. It doesn't say each on it, so I don't know if it does for that. But anyway, but if you look at page 172 of our text, this is the version that gets the pronominal endings, the pronoun endings, like each one of the man, each one of the woman, each one of, so they get different endings. Each one of you, each one of y'all, all those endings get put on to the end there, and by having the oo already there, I guess it makes it less confusing with other things. Anyway, okay, now that is everything for chapter 36, but we have one word from 37 in our accountability that we need to be able to spell. Remember, this is our little reminder that we need to be able to spell it. Okay, now this does the regular Segol pattern, right? Nefesh. So that's the vital life force, or a person, or a living thing. Our professor is not keen on one of the definitions that the textbook author has in there. Instead, he wants to think about it as a person, a living thing, a vital life force, nefesh, and know how to spell it. Okay, I'll leave it up there for you to look at it just a little bit longer. Nefesh. All right. And we have come to the end of the vocab videos. So study well. Take care. Thanks for watching.